Hello and welcome to Adobe Premiere's Quick Export Feature Overview. As video editors, most of us have been in situations where we need to export a video as fast as possible. It could be a quick turnaround project, a revision, or footage that needs to go to a client or team member for review. The Quick Export feature is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to export a video file in just a few clicks, giving you the confidence to handle any project with ease. To start, open the project sequence that you want to export. In the Premiere upper toolbar on the right side, navigate to the Quick Export icon. Upon selection, a small window will appear. Only two options will be presented. Starting from the top, you can choose where to place the exported video on your computer. Below, users can choose a preset of settings to export the video. Recent options are shown along with any favorites and the Match Sequence Settings choice. Select the Export button once you've made your choices, and Premiere will create the video. While Media Encoder is robust and offers many options, the Quick Export feature can create videos within a few clicks and seconds. It definitely comes in handy when you're in a hurry. Another tip for streamlining this process is to create some favorite export settings when using the same export settings for your projects. This can be for a final cut, a rough cut, etc. Favorites can be added using the traditional export method back in Premiere. Navigate to File, Export, and Media in the project sequence. From here, you can choose all of the export settings that you'd like to apply to this new favorite export template. When you're done, navigate to the Preset tab, choose the three dots icon, and select Save Preset. Enter a name for the preset and select OK. From then on, the favorite should appear under presets when using the Quick Export feature or traditional export options. I highly recommend trying the Quick Export feature. It will make your workflow more efficient and it's easy to use. Thank you for watching this tutorial.